The Mint Museum in the bustling downtown area of Charlotte, North Carolina, is a vibrant hub of creativity and innovation, showcasing an array of artworks that span various media, including clay, stone, and glass. Also, there's numerous family and allergy-friendly places to eat all around the museum's central location. One thing to keep in mind is that the range of art on display may be more suited for teenagers and not oriented towards children. Families with teenagers and older will really enjoy this engaging museum. Among the featured artists, Fred Smith stands out for his extraordinary ability to transform natural materials into captivating sculptures. The museum also highlights other artists who share a similar passion for materiality. Their works, ranging from delicate glass sculptures to robust stone carvings, explore the endless possibilities of these timeless materials.
One of the museum's most intriguing exhibits is The Science of Making Things. This exhibit delves into the fascinating processes behind artistic creation, offering visitors a behind-the-scenes look at how raw materials are transformed into works of art. Through interactive displays and informative presentations, guests can explore the techniques and technologies that artists employ to bring their visions to life. In essence, the Mint Museum serves as a testament to the power of artistic expression and the innovative spirit of creators like Fred Smith, among others. It provides a space where art enthusiasts can immerse themselves in the beauty of handcrafted works while gaining a deeper understanding of the science and skill involved in their creation.